Hello everyone, welcome. I am here Dr. Siddhi to help you managing your stress. In previous videos we have seen what is stress, what are effects of stress or symptoms that your body will show when you are under stress. In today's session I have tried to cover all the possible strategies one can use to manage or reduce their stress levels. As I am trying to give an overall view of all the aspects or strategies, this session will be little more longer, so please stay with me till the end. Even after that, if you still feel you need a detailed work on some specific point to help you, feel free to call or drop a message or WhatsApp me on the number displayed on the screen. We will surely work on it together. So, let's begin. Introduction about myself. I am Dr. Siddhi. I am an Ayurvedic practitioner. I stay in Pune, Wakad. My key area of work are stress consultations, infertility counseling. I also customize weight loss program according to individual needs and their lifestyles. For any further queries, appointments, my contact details are displayed on screen. Feel free to drop a message, give a call or WhatsApp me on the same number. Why is it so important to manage stress? Stress is an unavoidable part of everybody's life, but that doesn't mean you should ignore it. Too much untreated stress can cause potentially serious physical and mental health problems. While it may seem like there is nothing you can do about stress, there are steps you can take to relieve the pressure and regain control. It's pretty natural that reducing stress in your everyday life can make you happier and healthier. Stress has a powerful impact on various aspects of your life. Not only it can affect your mood, energy level, relationship and work performance, stress can also cause and worsen a wide variety of health conditions. Reducing stress has a societal, familial and individual benefits such as economic benefits. Reducing stress increases an individual productivity at work and reduces the number of days they take off. Physical health benefits. Being stressed consumes energy and nutrition which could otherwise be used to protect the body. Psychological health benefits. Reducing stress improves sleep and reduces irritability, anxiety, and depression. Relationship benefits. Improved interrelationship with co-workers and family members. A good news is that in many cases, stress is manageable. With some patience and few useful strategies, you can reduce your stress, whether it is family stress or stress at your workplace. When your stress levels increase your ability to cope, you need to restore the balance by reducing the stressor, that is reason for your stress, or increasing your ability to cope, or both. Try using 4A's, that is avoid, alter, accept or adapt. Avoid. Believe it or not, you can simply avoid a lot of stress by planning ahead and rearranging your surrounding. Alter. One of the most helpful thing you can do during times of stress is to take inventory. Then attempt to change your situation for the better. Accept. Talk with someone. A phone or schedule coffee breaks with an understanding friend. You may feel better after talking it out. Forgive. It takes energy to be angry. Forgiving may take practice, but by doing so, you will free yourself from burning more negative energy. Practice positive self-talk. It is easy to lose objective when you're stressed. One negative thought can lead to another, so be positive instead. Learn from your mistakes. Adapt. Thinking you can't cope is one of the greatest stressor. That is why adapting, which often involves changing your standards or expectations, can be most helpful in dealing with stress. Don't worry if you find it difficult to relax at first. Relaxation is a skill that needs to be learned and will improve with practice. The ultimate goal is a balanced life with time for work, relaxation, relationships, and fun. The flexibility to hold up under pressure and meet challenges heads on. But stress management is not one size fit for all. That is why it's important to experiment and find out what works best for you. The following stress management tips can help you do that. Here is a list of steps that we can follow while managing our stress. Recognizing any warning signs and in identifying the stresses of your life. Go negative to positive. Use emergency stress stoppers. The stress busting activities in your routine. Adopt healthy lifestyle. Explore stress coping programs. Engage socially. Set priorities and avoid unnecessary stressors. Adapting and accepting the situation. Keep a stress diary. Take control of your situation. Learn to say no. If you find yourself experiencing several stress symptoms discussed earlier, if the stress in your life is overwhelming, it is time to take back control. The first step in managing your stress is recognizing any warning signs and identifying the stressor in your life. Taking full control over the situation will help you to change it. And if still cannot change the situation, you can influence your reaction to the situation. Next step is going negative to positive. Instead of thinking negative thoughts, you can go for a positive ones. For example, instead of saying, I can't do this, you can say, I will do the best I can. I have got this. Everything is going wrong. Where you can think, I can handle this if I take one step at a time. I hate it when this happens. Here you can say, I know how to deal with this. I have done this before. I feel helpless and alone. Where you can think, I can reach out and help if I need it. I can't believe I screw up. Instead, I am inhuman. We all make mistakes. I can fix it. To really make it work, practice positive self-talk every day. In a car, at your desk, before you go to bed, whenever you notice negative thoughts are entering in. It's a great practice to teach your kids too. Next is emergency stress stoppers. What are emergency stress stoppers? They are simple activities that you can do to release the pressure at the moment. For example, count to 10 in your mind before you speak or react. Take a few slow deep breaths. You can walk even it is to a restroom and back. Try a quick meditation or a prayer. If it's not urgent, sleep on it and respond tomorrow. Walk away from the situation for a while and handle it later politely. Excuse yourself. Break down a big problem into smaller parts, like taking one step at a time. Turn on some chill music or inspirational podcast. Take a break. Walk your pet. Spend time with your loved ones or do something to help someone else. Exercise yoga or some pranayam. Yoga and pranayam is a great antidote for stress. Stress busting activities and healthy lifestyle. Stress busting activities like making art, creating something creative, working on a scrapbook or a photo album which will help you in refreshing some beautiful old memories. Activity based games with your kids like ping pong, hide and seek. Try some rhythmic activities like dancing, aerobics, zumba, singing. Adopt healthy lifestyle. Strictly avoid caffeine, alcohol and nicotine. It will make you feel relaxed for a shorter period of time, but in longer run, it will make things worse. Eliminate or minimize food that can impact your emotional stress. For example, use less refined sugar in your diet. In general, try to eat healthy, well-balanced and nutritious diet. Start your day right with a breakfast and keep your energy up and your mind clear with the balanced nutritious meal throughout the day. Get good sleep. It is one of the most important factor as getting adequate sleep fuels your mind as well as your body. Feeling tired will increase your stress because it may cause you to think irrationally. Indulge relaxation techniques as yoga and pranayam in your daily routine. It metabolizes excessive stress hormones and restores your body and mind to a calmer, more relaxed state. Stressful situation increase the level of stress hormones and so physical exercise like yoga with few breathing techniques as pranayam can be used to metabolize the excessive stress hormone and restore your body and mind to a calmer, more relaxed state. Engage socially. Talk to someone. Help someone else by volunteering. Call or email an old friend. Meet new peoples by taking classes or joining a club. This helps you in diverting your mind for a moment, giving a moment of relaxation, and also helps you to get a new outlook approach towards your stressor. Of course, it is not always realistic to have a pal close to lean on when you feel overwhelmed or stressed. But by building and maintaining a network of close friends, you can improve. Avoiding unnecessary stressors, take control of your surrounding. Learning how to find solution to your problem will help you feel more in control, thereby lowering your level of stress. Label your to-do list with A's, B's and C's. Make a list of all things that you need to do and list them in order of genuine priority. Note what takes you need to do personally and what can be delegated to others to do. Poor time management can also cause lot of stress. Don't overcommit yourself. Thinking you cannot cope is one of the greatest stressor. That is why adapting, which often involves changing your standards or expectations, can be most helpful in dealing with stress. Adjusting your standards, like do you really need to vacuum or dust twice a week? Redefine your success and stop looking for perfection, and you may operate with little less guilt and frustration. Practicing thought stopping. Stop gloomy thoughts immediately. Reframe the issue. Try looking at your situation from new point of view. Instead of feeling frustrated, look at it as an opportunity to bond, relax and finish. Look at a bigger picture. Ask yourself, will this matter in a year or in 5 years? The answer is often no. Realize this makes a stressful situation seem less overwhelming. Stress diary for few weeks is an effective stress management tool as it will help you become more aware of the situation that is causing you stress. Give your stressful episode a stress rating based on scale 1 to 10 and use a diary to understand what triggers your stress. Take control. Stress can be triggered by a problem that maybe on surface seem impossible to solve. Learning how to find a solution to your problem will help you feel more in control, thereby lowering your level of stress. At times, we all feel overburdened by our to-do list, and this is a common cause of stress. Accept that you cannot do everything at once and start prioritizing your task. Remember as well to create buffer times to deal with unexpected emergencies and also include time for your own relaxation and well-being. Beyond a take charge approach and a positive attitude, you can reduce stress in your life by carving out me time. Do not get caught up in hustle and bustle of your life to forget your own needs. Nourishing yourself is a necessity, not a luxury. A common cause of stress is having too much to do and too little time in which to do it. And yet, in this situation, many people will still agree to take additional responsibilities. Learning to say no to additional or unimportant requests will help you to reduce level of stress and also help to develop more self confidence. First, understand why you find it difficult. Many people find it hard to say no because they really want to help and are trying to be nice. In this case, you can think of some prepaid phrase to say no more gently. I am sorry, but I cannot commit to this as I have other priorities at the moment. Or you can say, now it is not a good time as I am in middle of something. Why don't you ask me again? Lastly but not the least, take rest if required. If you are feeling unwell, do not feel you have to carry on. A short period of rest will enable your body to recover faster. So, relax. Everyone experiences stress differently. If you believe emotional stress has impacted your life, never dismiss that feeling in your head. When you bottle up stress, it can manifest in unhealthy ways, including drinking too much, anger, and damaging overall your quality of life. You can't eliminate stress, but you can learn to manage it better. Stress management strategies can help you better cope with the near constant emotional stress in 21st century life. Choose right technique. Stressors, good and bad, are part of every life. Practice applying these techniques to balance your stress equation. With practice, that one heavy backpack of stressors will become your private bags of tricks to deal with every situation. Seek treatment to learn healthy ways of dealing with stress in your life. Seek help from a qualified healthcare provider if you are overwhelmed, feel you cannot cope, have suicidal thoughts, or using drugs or alcohol to cope. A key to find your groove and make it practice. You will be amazed how quickly you may start to feel better once you disrupt the cycle of stress. If you have liked my video, please give a thumbs up, share, and subscribe with the bell icon for more videos. For any queries, appointments, or consultations, feel free to give a contact or drop a message or WhatsApp on the number displayed on your screen. Thank you.